Switch loop wiring offers advantages in areas where squirrels or other rodents are present. One advantage is the minimized risk of short circuits. In a switch loop configuration, at least one hot conductor is always present in the cable, even when the switch is off. If a squirrel gnaws through the cable, the current will continue to flow through the remaining hot conductor, preventing a short circuit and breaker trip. A second advantage is the reduced risk of fire. A short circuit can lead to overheating and potential fire hazard. By minimizing the risk of short circuits, switch loop wiring can help reduce the likelihood of fire. A third advantage is increased safety. A short circuit can cause harm if someone comes into contact with exposed wires or live electrical equipment. Switch loop wiring reduces the risk of such accidents. When designing light circuits in areas where squirrels are likely to be present, electricians may consider several factors. Firstly, utilize switch loop wiring to minimize the risk of short circuits and fires. Secondly, enclose cables in conduit or flexible armor to protect them from being gnawed on. Thirdly, use cables with thicker insulation to withstand gnawing and potential damage. Fourthly, regularly inspect circuits and cables for signs of gnawing or damage, and make repairs as needed. While not a common design consideration, switch loop wiring can be beneficial in areas where squirrels or other rodents may pose a risk to electrical circuits. By minimizing the likelihood of short circuits and fires, it enhances electrical safety and reduces maintenance requirements.